Motorola launched its new stylus phone in the US and Canadian markets as Moto G Stylus 2025, with AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The new Moto G Stylus 2025 features a tall 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution PLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support. And on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has up to 256GB of onboard storage, with up to 1TB microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Moto G Stylus 2025 sports a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's LYTIA700C sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 120-degree field of view, along with the dedicated 3-in-1 light sensor. For selfies it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 68 watts turbo power charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. For safety, the phone is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes Dolby Atmos surrounded sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.15 by 74.78 by 8.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 191 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G Stylus 2025 has been priced in the US market at $400, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from April 17th. In Pantone Gibraltar C, and surf the web color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G Stylus 2025 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.